Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 4, Session 15, Electronegativity and Bond Prediction. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to use electronegativity and element type to predict ionic or covalent bonding. Listen for these key terms: electronegativity, polar bond, ionic bond, covalent bond, electron sharing. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Electronegativity measures how strongly an atom attracts shared electrons. A large electronegativity difference can lead to electron transfer and ionic bonding. A smaller difference usually means electron sharing and covalent bonding. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Use element type first. Metal plus nonmetal usually forms ionic compounds. Nonmetal plus nonmetal usually forms covalent compounds. Then use electronegativity to refine the prediction. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first. Then, let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now, let's work an example. Predicting bond type. Sodium and chlorine form an ionic compound because sodium is a metal that easily loses one valence electron, while chlorine is a nonmetal that strongly attracts one electron. Hydrogen and oxygen form polar covalent bonds in water because both are nonmetals, but oxygen attracts shared electrons more strongly. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning. Here's a second example. A CH bond is usually treated as nearly nonpolar because carbon and hydrogen have similar electronegativities. An OH bond is polar because oxygen attracts the shared electrons more strongly, giving oxygen a partial negative side. Now answer this self-check. What type of bond is expected between magnesium and oxygen? A strong answer should include ionic. Hint, a metal plus a nonmetal usually forms an ionic compound. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Classify bonds in H2, HCl, NaF, and CO2 as nonpolar covalent, polar covalent, or ionic. Task 2. Explain what electronegativity has to do with polarity. Task 3. Predict which atom is partially negative in an OH bond. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.